is 7:05, October 11th. This is dinner. Hers and then my enchilada. Leftovers. Water. Both have water. And this is her sandwich we're going to eat tomorrow. But this is her. What did I have? I forgot what I had. Whatever it is. Leftovers. And, oh, burrito. Or is this the burrito? This is the burrito. This is the enchilada.
Mom, is this my shirt?
Or that's the...
Is this my
Yeah,
shirt?
that's the burrito.
Is
But
this my
anyway,
shirt?
this is what our dinner is
Is this my
tonight.
shirt?
Out here
Mom, is this my shirt, please?
on our Misola property.